Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to download and install BlueStacks on your PC in 2026. So whether you want to play Android games, use mobile apps on a bigger screen, or just test apps on Windows, yeah, this tutorial walks you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and search for BlueStacks. Make sure you open the official website to avoid fake downloads or unsafe files. Once you're on the website, click the Download BlueStacks button. The installer file should start downloading automatically. After the download finishes, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, just click Yes to continue. Now click Install Now and wait for BlueStacks to download the required files and complete the installation. Depending on your internet speed and PC performance, this may take a few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed BlueStacks on your PC in 2026. Now you can run Android apps and games directly on Windows with a bigger screen and better controls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, how to install BlueStacks on Windows 11 Full Guide 20.